Tina, come here. You see your bad mind. You gotta tell people, say, you see, when you think is the best, you not have to stop people from buy from other people. But say, them for order, sorry the cake and not waste their money elsewhere. Nobody now waste their money on you. Nobody now waste their money on you because they say, don't to Lorraine beat you. Don't to Lorraine beat you in the baking. You tea girl, your bad mind. Say the one Lorraine she, you know. Me don't know how she can take. Me know say obsessed Lorraine obsessed over Donna, you know. Me don't even say she hate Donna, she obsessed. When time people send come give about Donna, you put in out and you go on. Bob send the voice note and it's something then come give you. Always she send Donna picture. Tina come here, why you walk and send on Donna picture? Why you walk? Why you not send on your prison picture? Then Tina say Bob did a look her. This a whole heap of 10 story in a one, a 10 story in a one this. Tina say Bob did a look her, right? When Tina say Bob did a look her, what Tina did do, Bob sent out all of the message them with him and Tina did a talk, and Bob say Bob come out and him talk about him wife. And he say he no like the Bob say him like it natural. He no like it artificial. So Tina come here, Tina. Me tell you no sit down over there the whole hour no only have strength for Donna. Lorraine she a Donna back she still the pan. Wait more or less fi come. Me sit down and me a watch you know. Me a watch you know one big dirty set of workless people when I have nothing to do. Me when I sit down on the internet and take it every night, lose no sleep and lose no something. Then me no think of Donna only that got tear down on herself. And Donna be a can she now look out here. I see me say me go over one platform, me nah call no name. And hear one woman say, it look like me I go top come out here, you know. Because I say, me I go top come out here, me hear one woman say, if you see Michelle, in pity na Michelle face. And me they go say, Donna face Tina, she sit down a courthouse and can pity na him face and go and go tell the judge say, I sick him too much sick. And one woman say, me go pick me say, the woman she fix Michelle, you see. She fix Michelle and that the woman that she educated too. Bless up yourself. Blessings, queen. So, me no know where I go on here now. Me no know because this cake war look like it I go over. And me hear them all encourage Lorraine for continue. I wonder if Lorraine can be a pudding too. So, me no know how it I go. It look like say Tina. You always a ball about Donna with your nasty self about say because Donna not promote your business. So you hear your sister you know me wanna hear so no can't call me liar out here. Me sister a whole heap of story a go on, you know. Whole heap of story they got long because I say at this moment Tina losing the cake. Why? Because the people them a tell Lorraine a fling out in cake review them. And me only say Tina wanna sample for her cake. Me don't know where I go on in this cake war. Yeah. Lord, I have to sit down and look at this a cake war. But Tina, you fight so much cake war. You see it? And now me know what the Tina. Tina fight so much cake war by herself, so now she don't know how to fight it with Lorraine. You see it? Tina fight so much cake war by herself. Now she can't fight it with a non-baker. Master God. You don't know so the cake choir going over there with the non-baker Lorraine versus the big top notch international baker Tina Chin, and then Lorraine I win the cake war. But me send Lorraine for bake, me never send Lorraine for win. So how comes Tina make Lorraine a win the war? Boy, I mean I understand this Tina boy, me say everything you bad lucky, you know. You're bad lucky you couldn't even keep the people them husband. Why Tina you're bad lucky, Tina you have something to you, but Tina me don't know what do you. I don't know is what do you Tina, something do you. Boy, oh boy, I don't know how Tina loves suicide, but it seems to me like Tina lie have a felony himself because he can't go sue. Because the amount of people Tina go sue. Boy, me say, you know, at this, me say me not understand what happened over the camp. They me not understand. Uno can see say Tina BADMINE. All the problem with Tina have with Lorraine because Lorraine bake 2 cake, you know. To see how far and low Tina will go for a dime. Tina not like nobody. Actually, we know Tina don't even like Tina. Because Tina would have never sit down. Tina for go look help. Tina is a crazy delusional woman. And when she kept me say when I hear Tina say yesterday morning, remember she always said Donna tell lie pan her, you know. Say the reason why she and Donna in a problem are because say Donna, people ask Donna which part she can get cake in New York, and Donna say she don't know. And when somebody, you see how she go know that comment there, so where you find Tina Chin shop, Tina say, Donna say Donna no know. Donna no live in New York now, so she can't go foreign. No. Tina, you can't vex with people for promote your cake and you're the whole long over 4 years texted upon the woman for that. You're sick. You're very much sick. So Lorraine, I go sit down over there now and call up Donna name and sing thing, and so I don't know what's gonna go on with the cake after the cake season. Nobody know fi bake on the internet but Tina, and Tina don't bake. Tina only take people money. Yo, the only lucky people them if she know so you live in New York near, but if you live in Miami or anywhere she have to ship cake go too far, you not get your money. She ship only in New York where they near her house, so she knows that people can't see her. Tina know Tina though. But me I tell you say, it no easy. The cake wire not easy at all. 2 best friends. Because all the cake that Tina make for Curly for $400. Curly say, Curly wicked, you know. Hey, but sometimes people just let me laugh. Curly when I refuse food, Curly dash away cake and say, the cake tastes good. But Curly live with rat, roach, all that of insect. Curly say, I hand dirty and I hand touchy cake. So we want to know how big Curly hand is a Curly dash. Mighty God! Katina says she has sent out the cake them and I only buy feel. She has sent out all cake. And up to Sunday I only buy feel and get fair cake yet. I'm sure Mama Flo na get fair one them at England. Tina lion thief like a what? Tina yo? See down there Fred Pandan about Lorraine obsessed over you and Donna. Kupa you too. Boy you gonna send. See Pete your Bob the Lorraine say. She always send things about the woman and I send the woman picture. You sit down and watch out the woman life. Tina, you dirty ass yo. You shall never prosper yo. Yo. You dirty fuck. You come here. Boy, you're not about Lorraine obsessed. So we know why you're Lorraine obsessed over you and Donna. We know you are Lorraine obsessed over Donna. Kupa you too. But Lorraine are obsessed about you about. Kupa you. You fucker yo. I'm sure you will get your cake from Miss Lothian. Very much. I send Miss Lothian a lot of customers. None of them ever give me a bad review. The most them would say the punch too sweet. Because you know when I'm diabetic. But me never get a bad review yet from Miss Lothian. Because look what Tina Chin do. Tina Chin, you see all you? When you go buy the 2 cake and the woman will sit down in a Tina Chin car and go buy them 2 cake there and make Tina Chin push her ear in the cake and give back the cake. And give back the cake. Then Tina, you could have done that. What about if the person, let's say this, because sometimes I don't feel like the people them are gonna get, you do it with the intention, say, them are gonna find the ear and give back and come out and give back Donna the cake. But what about if the person where you push the ear in the cake no see it and eat it? Do you think about that, Tina? What about if the person no see the ear and eat it? This is why you think that because them know, if them they know so everything we are going to consume in our body, we are going to see it. They wouldn't have such a problem for tell us about personal hygiene when you prepare food. And because them know so people will not see it and you will eat it. Do you think about them, Tina, you expect your business to be prosperous? A big business woman like you should have known better. You take your money and go buy Donna cake, send go buy Donna cake to compare with your cake and say, no, you don't do that. You know, see no other bakery do that. Everybody bake them own things. Tina, you are the one to tear down your business. And you no, because you might have delete the live them, the people them see upon the live and you reach a state, Tina, I must clear up this part with you. Your daughter is sick. Now is the time for you stop. Me hear a long time here to the daughter the wicked just like you. You know damn well Donna never trouble you. And you go over there and inject that till your daughter come out and make statement about Donna. She need to go see about her health. No, it's not the time for she joining a cake war with you. Because your daughter don't know nothing about Donna. Donna never do your daughter nothing. This is why I'm telling you, saying our problem as a Jamaican, the Chinese, hey, you know how much Chinese they down the road, there's so 2 beside one another. Only that one are over the counter and one is a mini market. You go anywhere, Chinese, nobody now fight against them one another. Nobody now come out and tell nobody no buy for nobody. But who know as a baker, especially the one with the biggest market. Tina no fit spit Donna name out time out, my God choke her. Because wait Tina sit down and do Donna, let me tell you something. Lorraine and Tina, other bloggers do it too, you know. But Lorraine and Tina, let me tell you something. I don't know if I feel them fees so when I sit down on the woman name. If I went and sit down upon the woman name, she'd go frighten her run them. I never see nobody wicked so. Because all Lorraine in her cake while she still a ball out say Donna scam and Donna thief. All Lorraine in her cake while she still depend on her name. And yet till Tina tell her say she not no clothes. What a something. Then Tina never knows. So Lorraine have no clothes to tell Lorraine that long time say come off a Donna name. Because you did want her out your Tina to continue cussing Donna. Me love how Donna don't even look for and Donna come out and say she didn't know so the war did go on because she get everything. Donna not even look, not to mention Father Chris. And Miss Lothian, she never did a look for a man because Miss Lothian no know. Mighty God! What a cake war! Lorraine says she bake with love. Tina says she an international baker. I don't know which one. But I want somebody who really eat both of them cake. It's like, you know people, let me tell you something. You know, me have people who buy cake, and it was so sad. Them buy cake from Chris, them buy cake from Miss Lottie, and them buy cake from Donna, and them buy cake from Tina. And you know, say, me don't know if I bad lucky, me bad lucky. The people that buy them cake from Tina never get for them cake, and everybody give them own. Some like Miss Lottie and Cyril cake more, some like for Donna. Well, the only thing when you know somebody never make you hear say Donna coconut cake, you hear say Chris cake, them big and heavy. You can't like a factory cake, well beat out. Not that the other one them no bake. Everybody say Donna things them taste like real Jamaican. Donna one up, but everybody give them interview, them own review, but nobody never get Tina Tree. Me never get Tina Tree. Nobody. This is what me tell everybody. Lorraine did go in back after when Bulldog Lorraine used to come out and do our morning service. Tina is the one who reached out to Lorraine and tell Lorraine say, oh, scamming and people and something. Tina Chin where you see them. And me I tell her when she send this something them go give Lorraine. She sit down both say, Tina, you can't come out and no conjure out your hand. You see, Lorraine come out and Lorraine do a live, me not watch it yet, but me hear about it, so it was very emotional. When we have the voice note where when them a cuss Lorraine and so, and this is why me say, now me can understand why Michelle Bradshaw she do it with something bitter because I say, them know Lorraine did a go to school. In the cursing people, me hear voice note to them say they know Lorraine a go school. But I just to get to Donna. No, you wasn't only getting to Donna, you nearly mad the people in picnic. Make them stay right there. This is when you lose on a night sleep, you lose on a business, you sit down on phone. Never know say Tina investigate to you see how quick you could find out where Michelle live. You see how quick you can find out where Michelle live and why me do. I saw the whole of them at the road. And them are going up a courthouse. Them are going to reach a courthouse before Donna and them reach. And it's even easier and better for Donna. But Donna can't come. You can do job for Donna. No, do not job for Donna because you do the damage to Donna. Move your stinking dirty one beard, cocoa ass and boy. You come out and you do the woman for no reason. You do Chris for no reason. You got trouble Nana Lynn, you go for Miss Lottie, and you do Shelly, you do Carol. People them was no sooner. Just because you don't want nobody around Donna, everybody come out and talk, you go against them. Put the whole of them in night. The whole of them in night because I see platform I call up Donna name and even you see all your honor, that's why you have to ball. Because I would never eat from Tina Chin, and the reason being, when I hear Tina Chin say she should have spit in a cake and said go give Matlock as a business, something that tear down your business. Me know I'm old enough to say you can't eat from people like Tina Chin. And I see Tina have some pan there and baking, and I know if I did Donna pan them. Hey, Mr. Tina wicked, you know. I see people go down a yard and buy them cake and take the cake in a one box and put it on the ground, and Tina take it up and come say a Donna, hey Tina, you're dangerous, you know. Mighty God, may God have mercy upon your soul.